We'll guide you through how to make ChatGPT undetectable. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Now, the key to making your interactions with ChatGPT undetectable is to modify your prompts in a way that mimics natural human conversation. You need to avoid repetitive patterns and overly structured queries. Think about how you would naturally ask a question or make a statement in a real conversation. For example, instead of saying, "Tell me about the weather," you can phrase it more casually like, "Hey, what's the weather like today?" This small change can make a big difference. Another tip is to vary your sentence structures. Use a mix of questions and statements, and include some personal touches or opinions to make it sound more authentic. For instance, instead of, "Explain quantum physics," you could say, "I've always found quantum physics fascinating. Can you share some insights?" This approach not only makes the interaction more engaging but also less detectable. It's also helpful to occasionally use idioms or slang that a bot might not naturally use. You can say something like, "What's the scoop on the latest tech trends?" instead of a more formal inquiry. Finally, make sure to review and edit your prompts before sending them. Look at them critically and ask yourself if they sound like something you would genuinely say in a conversation. By following these steps, you can effectively make your interactions with ChatGPT appear more human-like and undetectable. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.